Hello dear students, welcome back to the class 7. So in the last class we have started with the exercise number 2.1. In the exercise number 2.1 we have completed with the up to fifth question and started with the word problem, and also we have solved some of the examples. In this class you are going to solve the exercise number 2.1 of, that is the sixth question. The sixth question says a fox can run at a speed of 150 integer 2/3 kilometer per hour. The speed of a panther is 10 times that of the fox. Find the speed of the panther. Okay, so see here once again, a fox can run at a speed of 150 integer 2/3 kilometer per hour. The speed of the panther is 10 times that of the fox. Find the speed of the panther. Okay, so see here, you can write first the given thing. The given thing says, that is speed of the fox. Speed of fox. What is the speed of fox? The given question, that is speed of the fox is 150 integer 2/3. It is kilometer per hour. Okay, so this is the speed of the fox. So speed of fox is equals to 150 integer 2/3 kilometer per hour. Okay, so next we have the speed of, next we have speed of, what we have, speed of panther. Panther, that is 10 times of that of the fox. So it is 10 times of the fox, means you have to write that it is 10 into 150 integer 2/3. 1 integer, that is 10 into 150 integer 2/3, because the question says a panther is 10 times that of the fox. That is speed of the fox is 150 integer 2/3, and the panther, that is 10 times that of the fox, that is 150 integer 2/3. Okay, so now see, it just, this is 10, you write as it is. So this is 15 3s are 150 into 3. 15 3s are 45. So this is 150 into 3 is 450. So it is 450 into 2, that is 452 whole divided by 3. 452 whole divided by 3. Now we can multiply with numerator with the numerator. 452 into 10, that is 4520 whole divided by. Okay, now see, it is 10 into 452, it is 4520 divided by 3. Okay, so now this is an improper fraction. Now this you can convert in the form of mixed fraction. So see here now, that is 34520. So 4520 you divide with 3, so you will get this as 3 1s are 3. So this is 4 minus 3, which is equals to 1. Again you can take this as 5 down. If you take 5 down, again it is 3 5s are 15. So 3 5s are 15. So 15 minus 15, which is equals to 0. So again you can take this 2 down. Plus 2 is less than 3, means you can take this as 0, and take this also, that is 0 you can take down. Again it is 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. 10 minus 2, which is equal, 10 minus 8, which is equals to 2, which is equals to 0. Okay, so now see, so I have divided, that is improper fraction, that is 4520 whole divided by 3. So if I divide this is in the form of improper fraction. This you can convert in the form of mixed fraction. So you can, if you convert this in the form of mixed fraction, you are getting the answer as 1506 whole divided by, that is 2/3. 1506 integer 2/3. So this is your required answer. First thing, what you do, first thing, write the speed of the fox is 150 integer 2/3 kilometer per hour. Then speed of the panther is 10 times of that fox, means 10 into 150 integer 2/3. So this here 10 you write as it is. So this is 150 integer 2/3. So this you convert in the form of improper fraction. So 150 into 3, that is 150 into 3 is getting as 45. That is 450 are getting 450 plus 2, it is 452/3. Now there is nothing, this 1 is here hidden. You multiply numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. So 452 into 10 is 4520, and 3 1s are 3. So 1506 integer 2 by 3 is your required answer. So all of you note down this problem. Dear students, now welcome back to the question number 8. In the question number 8, that is we are solving exercise number 2.1. In the previous example you have solved that 6th question. 7th one question you have to solve by yourself and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, so see here, dear students, Johnny spends 3 by 5th of his salary on food and rent, donates 1 by 5th of the remaining. How much does he donate if his salary is 40,000 per month? Okay, see here, Johnny spends 3 by 5th of his salary on food and rent and donates 1 by 5th of the remaining. How much does he donate if his salary is 40,000 per month? Okay, see here, dear students, first write the given thing, that is total salary which is equals to how much they are given, it is 40,000. Total salary it is 40,000. Next we have Johnny spends his food, that is of his salary, 3 by 5th, that is on food and rent. So 3 by 5th of his salary, 3 by 5th of his salary spends on food and rent. So this you can write this as, that is 3 by 5th of 40,000. 3 by 5th of 40,000. So see here, again you can write this as 5 ones are 5 eights are. So this is 8,000. So 5 8,000s are 40,000. 8,000 into 3, you can write this as, 24,000. 24,000. Okay. So see here, 3 by 5th of his salary spends on food and rent. 3 by 5th into 40, you are getting as 24,000. Next you can write the remaining amount. That is, remaining amount you can write this as 40,000 minus of 24,000. 40,000 minus of 24,000, you are getting this as 16,000. How it is 16,000? You can do your simple subtraction, that is 40,000 minus of 24,000, that is like this. So 0 0 is 0, 0 0, 10 minus 4 which is equals to 6, 1 carry 4 minus 3 which is equals to 1. So this is your 16,000. So but we want amount donated. How much does that amount must be donated? So you can write the amount donated which is equals to, that is how much it is, 1 by 5 of 16,000. 1 by 5 of 16,000. So this is 5 ones are 5 threes are 15. 1 remains, 5 twos are, that is 10, which is equals to 0. So getting as 3200. So 3,200. So see here, dear students, first you can write the total salary given in question, that is how much it is, 40,000. That is 3 by 5th of the salary spends on food and rent. So 3 by 5th into 40,000 you are getting as 8. It is 5 into 40,000, getting 8,000 into 3 you are getting as 24,000. Next remaining amount is 40,000. 40,000 minus of 24,000 which is equals to, you are getting as 16,000. So this amount donated you have to divide 1 by 5 into 16,000, that you are getting as 3,200. So conclusion you can write, that is 3 by 5th if is due, you are getting as 24,000. So on food and rent he is spending 24,000. Remaining amount he is getting 16,000, and amount he donated, that is it is 3,200. So please note down these two problems and complete these problems. Okay, dear students, now comes to the one more question, that is Naveen earns rupees 55,000 per month. He spends 3 by 5th of his income every month and saves rest of the money. Find the monthly saving. So see, our question says Naveen earns rupees 55,000 per month and he spends 3/5 of his income every month and saves rest of the money. Find the monthly savings. So total income. So total income is how much? Total income, which you can write total income, that is 55,000. So this is given in question. So total income is 55,000. So amount spent. So amount spent is how much? Amount spent is 3/5 of his income. So that is 3/5 of 55,000. 3/5 of 55,000. 5 ones are 5 ones are. So this is 11,000. So 5 11,000s are 55,000. So 11,000 into 3, you are getting this as 33,000. So this you are getting as 33,000. That is total income is 55,000 and amount spent is 33,000. So now see amount saved. We want actually the amount saved. Amount saved. So total income is 55,000. Total spent is 3/5 into 55,000, which is 33,000. So amount saved. Amount saved is which is equals to 55,000 minus of 33,000. So 55,000 minus 33,000 you are getting. So see here just 0 0 0 3 0 as it is. Next it is 5 minus 3 which is equals to 2. Again 5 minus 3 which is equals to 2. So totally amount saved is 22,000. So please note down this problem. It's very very important. So this is the 12th question. Please note down this problem and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number.